So we're out here at Hidden Falls Adventure Park, Marble Falls, Texas. It's a nice rainy afternoon on a Saturday. We got JC the Queen here. What's going on, JC? She says she's ridden before, but I don't know. I don't know if I can believe her or not. She hit a couple holes, but I think that was the Honda powering her through. But you know, you never know. You never know. Maybe she knows how to ride. We'll find out. We'll put her to the test today. We'll try to keep her safe, keep everybody safe. Oh, Tops will be out here later on. And we got one more buddy coming out. I haven't met him yet, so ought to be a good time. It's supposed to be raining all day, so the camera footage probably won't be the best, but at least it's gonna be a little muddy and not dusty. Ooh, ooh. What is this? See what old JC got. I'm gonna say that was more of the Honda that did anything than you.
That's how four-wheelers work.
What's that?
That's how four-wheelers work.
Right there? That's good. Perfect. Good stuff. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
He's out in the mud and the rain, bringing pleasure from pain.
And she's been singing this entire time?
No. Oh. I'm quiet. Let me think. My friend is tripping on fame and now these friends look the same.
That's all you got? God dang.
Again.
Good? Okay. I'll try again later. Alright, there's gonna be a couple of nice little ledge climbs. So just like I said, you get caught up on it, don't let it rear up on you, okay?
Okay.
So if there's one that looks kind of sketchy, I'll come down and check on you.
Asserting dominance. He's a gentle dominance.
There's Mighty Mouse. You take care of Mighty Mouse, okay?
I love that cartoon. You ever watched it? I forgot your. Oh, I forgot.
Watch it now. Watch it. Let me go up first and I'll come back, okay? You're fine. Alright. Like I said, you don't have to go fast, you just got to keep momentum. Perfect. Keep going. Okay, brakes. Keep your steering wheel straight so you don't cock it and turn and flip over. A little more momentum. Let's do this. There you go, there you go.
Sorry.
I like how you try to play it off like, yeah, I know I'm bad, but I almost fucked up.
That's not bad.
Almost fucked up.
I feel like I should go before my courage fails.
Alright. Nice, nice, nice. Muy bien. Yeah. Your heart pumping a little bit?
No.
No, not at all. That didn't scare you?
No, not really. I'm a scared after person.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Remember,
I'm dead inside.
remember having respect for the rocks though. Just land on them, it hurt.
Oh, I know. You need guns. Those are the rocks you need to wear.
Okay. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Now get in front of this.
No. Grandma. No. I was saying you got three options. Yeah. No, go that one. Please go that one. How awesome is this? Oh my gosh. Look at the view.
Golly, it's pretty.
You know what I'd say to that?
What? Oh my gosh. No air.
I hope your mouth was wide open too.
Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air.
Now I'm making circles around you because it's still trapped.
Oh, thank you. Okay, well, when I shit in your back seat, remember this. Nah, I'm just kidding. I've been shitting on you all day.